Okay, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still sticking with the topic of child protective services. So, Tim, as a former investigator, have you ever entered a home and witnessed or observed the parents or the parental figures engaging in illegal conduct, such as leaving all their drugs out in open view?
I have actually had this happen. I went to a report that was mom and dad's drug and alcohol use leaves them unable to adequately care for the child. I went on the investigation, went to the home. I will never understand why some people do what they do. I told them who I was, why I was there. They said, "Come on in." And on the table happened to be syringes, hypodermic needles, and drugs, drug paraphernalia, and things like that. And so I asked them, "Are you diabetic? Is there a reason you have these needles?" No, dude. And so, really, what ended up happening in that situation was I did call my supervisor. We did end up removing the children from that home. I did make a report to the police of what was going on. We did not allow those kids back in the home until certain mitigating circumstances were done, meaning that the parents got help or the person in question was no longer in the home, those types of things. But I most certainly have walked in and they were laying on the table.
See, so just so you know, people, make sure if somebody knocks at the door and you let them in, this is something that could happen. So again, it's Tina and Tim. Don't forget to like us and don't forget to subscribe.